In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CapCut AI Fashion. If you've ever wished you could see your clothing on a professional model without a photo shoot, this tool does exactly that. We'll keep it simple, cover a few best practices, and make sure you get reliable results the first time you try it. Start by opening CapCut on your computer or in your browser. Give it a second to load your workspace so everything runs smoothly. If you haven't used it in a while, a quick update helps avoid hiccups. Keep your project panel tidy so you can find your uploads later. Next, look for the AI Fashion Model feature inside the editor. It typically appears in the toolbar or the sidebar, labeled clearly. Clicking it opens a dedicated panel where all the magic happens. Think of this as your fitting room, where you'll pair an outfit with a virtual model. Now upload your clothing photo. The cleaner the picture, the better the output. Use a well-lit image with a plain background, and make sure the garment is fully visible from the front. Avoid heavy wrinkles, extreme angles, or busy patterns that can confuse the algorithm. High-resolution PNG or JPG files work well. If your item is on a hanger or mannequin, that's fine. Just ensure edges are clear and the colors are accurate. Choose a model that matches the vibe and category of your clothing. For tailored pieces, a neutral pose shows details best. For casual wear, a relaxed pose feels more natural. Consider skin tone, hair length, and overall styling, so the final look complements the garment rather than competing with it. If your fabric is shiny or sheer, pick a model preview that renders texture clearly. When you're ready, click Generate. The tool analyzes your image and composes a realistic try-on, which may take a moment depending on size and connection. Review the result closely. Check fit lines, collars, buttons, and hemlines. If something looks off, try a different model or swap in a clearer photo of the garment. Small improvements in lighting and cropping can dramatically boost realism. Repeat the process until you're happy, and keep notes on which image and model combinations deliver the cleanest outcomes. That way, you can recreate the look consistently for future products or campaigns. And that's it. Fast, flexible, and studio-free. Thanks for watching. With CapCut AI Fashion, you can turn a single clothing photo into polished visuals in minutes. Pause, rewind, and follow along as you create your own.